Hey guys, today we're going to talk about fractions as to do something a little bit different than the geometry we've been doing. So let's start out by talking about the special names for fractions. When we have a fraction, you know it's a number and then a line and then another number. Now that top number is called your numerator. Numerator goes on top and your denominator goes down on the bottom. Denominator down on the bottom. That's how I remember it. Okay, my numerator, my denominator goes down on the bottom. Okay, so here I have numerator, denominator. Okay, it represents this. So my top number is the part of the figure that's like shaded, and the bottom part is the whole. How many pieces are there all together? Okay, so we're going to take a look at this. Here I have the fraction 1 half. Okay, so my 2 on the bottom, my denominator, is representing that there's 2 parts of this circle. The whole thing is made up of 2 parts. Okay, then my top, my numerator, is a 1, and it shows because 1 part is shaded. Okay, so this is how we show 1 half. This is in the number form, and this is how I would shade it on a figure. Okay, now we're going to talk quick about adding fractions. Okay, adding fractions is super easy. Okay, if I have a number, if I have a fraction that the numbers are the same on the bottom, I don't have to do anything. Those don't change. I don't add the bottom numbers. The only thing that you're going to add is the top numbers. So here I have 2/5 plus 2/5. Now you might want to just go straight across and say, oh, that's 4/10, easy peasy. That's not correct. It is not 4/10. The only thing that we are going to add are my numerators. My denominator is going to stay the exact same. So I know that 2 plus 2 is 4. So I have 2/5 plus 2/5 is 4/5. Okay, let's look at the next one. 1/4 plus 0/4 equals, okay, well, my denominator stays the same, and I need to add my numerators. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1/4 plus 0/4 is 1/4. Easy enough, okay? There's a couple more examples we'll do together. So I have 7/10 plus 2/10. My denominator stays the same. 7 plus 2 is 9. So it's 9/10. Okay? And my last one is 3/4 plus 1/4. My denominator stays the same. I'm going to add my numerators. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, let me show you what's special about this one. What's special about this one is anytime you have the same number in the numerator and the denominator, that's going to equal one whole. It's going to equal 1. Okay, let me show you. If I have a square here, and I color in 3, and I have another square here, and I color in 1, okay, we can see that it's going to be 1 because here's 3/4 plus 1/4 equals 1 whole. 4/4 equals 1 whole. It doesn't matter what the number is. It could be 1/1, 2/2, 3/3, 4/4. Anytime you have the same numerator and the same denominator, your answer equals 1. Okay? Alright, that is it for that lesson today. Just remember, when you're adding fractions, your denominator stays the same. When you have the same number on the bottom, it stays the same. Your follow-up will be attached. If you have any questions, ask your teacher.